Hi, my name is Jason, and today we're going to be testing different microphones for you. We have 4 microphones that we're going to be testing out today. The Audio Technica 3350, which you are currently listening to on this video. We have the dual microphones that are on board the Zoom H4n. We have the Excelvan BM-800, but this goes by a lot of names. It's just a sort of general manufactured in China, whatever brand name that they decide to throw on this. We also have a Rode VideoMic. This is the older version. I know that they updated it, but you'll get to hear that as well. So let's get started. As I said previously, you're listening to the lapel mic or the Lav mic that is currently hooked to the Zoom H4n. This works well when you're doing this sort of video, when you need just the sound from about 3 to 5 feet away from you and really nothing else. I've currently switched the audio over to the onboard mic on the camera so that you can get a feeling for what these microphones will bring to the table in terms of quality. Right now, you can probably hear all of the ambient noise and the echo from the room through that camera, and I'm probably not very loud on it either, or I'm not coming across very clear. I'm going to switch back to this mic, which is the lapel mic, and you can see that the quality of the video was boosted. The thing to remember about video is it's really all in the audio. I could have a very, very trashy, low resolution video, but if the audio quality is really good, then I would be more apt to stick around to watch it. This will be the best money that you can spend in terms of boosting the quality of your video. So keep that in mind when you're choosing audio equipment. I've now turned on the Rode VideoMic, which I have mounted just on top of the camera. The Rode VideoMic is a shotgun microphone, so it's very directional. So whatever you're filming or recording, you have to have it pointed directly at. It's not an omnidirectional microphone like you would have a standard dynamic mic, or what would be on board the video camera on most consumer cameras, which picks up basically everything around. I'm now recording on the onboard microphones on the Zoom H4n. It has 2 microphones that are recording on a left channel and a right channel. Because of the way that the microphones are pointed, it will actually pick up the direction that the sound is coming from. So if I go like this and keep talking, it'll sound like I'm actually moving around the microphone. I'm now recording on the BM-800 by Excelvan. It's an actual condenser microphone, and as such, it requires phantom power. This particular microphone, in case you were wondering, requires 48 volts of phantom power. There's another setting on the Zoom H4n, and it wasn't very clear at all in the instructions what power that it needed. But since I'm here testing this, I'll read to you the first line of the instructions on it. Turn on your amplifier or mixing board and set the volume control to minimum position. To connect the phantom power to the microphone, turning on the phantom switch. Accommodate the volume control from low to high, so obtained effect to your moderate level for protected the sauna from pounding. So the instructions aren't exactly clear, but it does take 48 volts. If you go to buy this microphone, there's a couple things that you need to know. First, the best practice I've found is to, number one, you have to have another XLR cable when you go to buy it. You also need a phantom power source. You can either buy a dedicated actual power brick or power source or phantom power source, or you can hook it directly up to if you have a Zoom H4n or similar setup. The cable that it comes with actually has an XLR cable port on one end and a male 3.5 millimeter jack on the other, so that you can hook it directly to your computer. But if you do this without that power source, it's going to be very low and not work very well. So be aware of that you're going to need a power source. The other thing that I would recommend buying is a mic stand of some sort. I got this one here, let's see, for $8.95 on Amazon. Links to a review and where you can buy all of this stuff will be in the description below. It'll take you to artificialhumanintelligence.com, an article on there that I wrote up, and you can go through it. If you like the sound of my sexy voice, like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos and reviews and other things that we're going to have. It's just going to be fun, so do it.